everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hello, my sweet friends. Happy Friday. Did you guys have a great Thanksgiving? How was it? Did you have fun? And for everybody that did not celebrate Thanksgiving, how was your week? I hope you had a great week wherever you are. Okay. I'm jumping right into the video, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't like this. I don't like it, and I'll tell you why. When I was planning this out, my concept was to have both shelves lined with the garland, and it looks pretty, but here's my thing. You can't really see what I'm putting in here. So I'm gonna take this garland out, and I have other ideas, because this is gonna be my hot chocolate cocoa bar station. I do one every year, and I really want to do one this year. So I'm gonna take this down, and it's gonna be a task and a half, and I think I'm gonna put it up on top. So let's do that right away, and then we'll start decorating the inside of the inside of the little hut. Okay, my sweet friends, here we go. I'm taking this down, and I'm using some thumbtacks, and I'm gonna hang this garland up on the top, because I think it's going to be much, much better when I start actually decorating these shelves. And you're probably thinking to yourself that I've decorated them. No. There's no rhyme or reason to any of this objects on those shelves. So I was having a little bit of hard time. Angela was helping me a bit, because we had all the picks and everything fell out. And we were trying to get the lighting to work. And these little battery-operated lights are so cute. But they really don't show up during the daytime. So I should have taken some pictures. I'll put some pictures on Instagram of it at night, because it does look really, really cute at night. And my little hutch has a little light inside. So I'll show you that at nighttime over on Instagram. So what I did is I just did the exact same thing. I added the same picks that I had, and that was it, really. I left it exactly the same. Here's a view of the top, and I think it looks so cute. Okay, let's get serious now. Let's start decorating this, because I'm going to take all this off. So what I want to achieve here is a really cute, over-the-top Mrs. Claus's kitchen hot cocoa bar. And I'm so struggling with this, but I finally get it to work. Here you can see I'm putting little gingerbread men garland that I had. And I'm just attaching it to the corners of the shelf and letting it hang, because I did want something. You know, Mrs. Claus would have something, a little something, and it's cute. Make sure you always, when you start decor, clean your surfaces, because nothing looks better than a clean, decorated area. Okay, it is a hutch after all, so I do want to add some plates. So basically what I'm doing is I'm adding things that you would find in the kitchen. You know, cookie jar, plates. I'm adding, obviously, some Christmas cheer with little trees. And I absolutely love this footed Santa boot bowl. I got it from Michael's, and I really, really want to use it. I like to put candy in there and stuff like that. And as you can see, I'm having a real hard time figuring out where to put what. Okay, here we go. Love these chocolate molds. Oh my God, they're so nostalgic, so pretty. And more cookie jars and more stuff. Here come my favorite candies. Guys, I'm telling you, you pop one of these Andes Cool Mint chocolates in your hot chocolate. Oh, it's so good. So, so good. And then some mugs, because we need mugs. And I'm still dusting because, my God, that flock garland gets snow everywhere. And then I'm just adding some more Christmas plates. Pedestal. Ooh, the black does not look good. Got rid of that. Okay, the Abuelita chocolate, hot chocolate, my favorite. That's my favorite. And peppermint's my favorite. And I brought in a little white pedestal. And then this cute little jar. You know what happened? I can't find my jars. I mean, if you look in the past years, my hot cocoa bar, totally different. But this one, you know what? I don't know. Now I'm going to sit back and watch. Now watch me. I've got my coffee, I put the light on, and I'm thinking, nope, I don't like it. Let's do it over again. So I keep playing with it. I keep playing with it and playing with it. Do I like it? Guys, this is real life decorating because I really was not, I don't know, there was something missing. And then when I look back in the end, I realized, you know what? I'm missing a lot of my canisters that I used to put my hot cocoa in. And a bunch of other stuff that I guess we left. We left in Canada, or I sold it, or God knows what happened to it. It could be in the garage, for all I know. It could be in the garage. But you know what? This is the best it's going to be. I love it. And here is the final result. End of the video. What do you think? It turned out really cute, right? Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. It also tells YouTube to promote the video, send it out there because I'm really trying hard to up my subscriber count on YouTube. I would really like more people to join my channel, and it would be really appreciated if you guys could do that. And make sure you leave me a comment down below because I really want to hear what you guys have to think. And I know you saw me struggling with this today. And I really did. I am missing certain things. But I really think it does say, come grab a hot cup of cocoa. Grab yourself a nice warm blanket. Sit down, watch a great Hallmark movie, and enjoy the holiday season. Because that's the best part. Make memories with your friends and family. A hot cocoa party would be fun too, wouldn't it? That would be so much fun. So I hope you like it. I like it. I think it turned out very cute. It's got a little bit of old stuff, some nostalgia from when Angela was a little girl, and my little plates and cups and candy and gingerbread men and anything and everything I could find. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got lots of inspiration, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend ahead.